Google Pixel 3. The phone comes with 5.50-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 2160 pixels at a PPI of 443 pixels per inch. The Google Pixel 3 is powered by 2.5 GHz octa-core processor and it comes with 4 GB of RAM. The phone packs 64 GB internal storage that cannot be expanded. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Google Pixel 3 packs a 12.2 megapixel primary camera on the rear and 8 megapixel front camera. The Google Pixel 3 is powered by a 2915 mAh battery. The weight is 148 grams. The Google Pixel 3 is a single SIM smartphone that accepts a nano SIM only. Connectivity options includes Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, NFC, USB Type-C, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include face unlock, fingerprint sensor, compass, magnetometer, proximity sensor, accumulator, lighting sensor, gyroscope and barometer. It is now available in Google Store and after some days also available in Flipkart. Thank you for watching the video.